Lindsay. Welcome to Chow Time. If you have not had a deep fried saltine, well, you haven't lived. I have some hot vegetable oil happening right here. I'm going to toss these saltines in, single layer, and we're going to fry them until they're a light golden brown. You know, saltines are one of the most popular crackers in the entire world. They were first known as soda crackers, and they were invented in 1801 at a bakery in Massachusetts. But then in 1876, they became known as saltines. And they were so popular that in the first year, the company quadrupled their sales. Look at that, they're beautifully golden brown. So I'm going to transfer them to some paper towels. Stick my second batch in. I'm using a sleeve of saltines. There are about 40 of them in there. And you know what the slogan was for saltines in 1876 when they came out with that name, saltines? Polly want a cracker. That was their slogan. Now, these guys that I just took out, while they're still warm, I like to dust them with a little bit of salt. See, these guys are almost ready. And I think there are two kinds of people in the world. There are saltine people, and there are Ritz crackers people. I'm saltine, my husband is Ritz, but we got married anyway. So lightly salt the second batch. And then I will meet you outside. It's a beautiful evening, so I'm going to make my tuna dip outside. Now I'm going to make a simple tuna dip. When I was growing up, a tuna fish sandwich was my favorite sandwich. I think that kids growing up, you were either tuna or PBJ, peanut butter and jelly. My husband was peanut butter and jelly. I was tuna, but we still got married. And make sure, these are two 7-ounce cans of albacore tuna packed in water that I drained. Make sure it's albacore tuna, because the other stuff to me tastes like cat food. I'm going to add a finely chopped small onion, because I love raw onion. I'm going to add about a tablespoon of mustard, a good teaspoon of dried dill, because tuna and dill go so well together. Now we add the mayonnaise. So I'm going to do about a half a cup's worth. And mix all that. I'm ready for company. Take my deep fried saltine. Put a little tuna salad on there. Delicious. Deep fried saltines are so crunchy. It's just a treat. And you know, they say you cannot eat 5 saltines in 1 minute without taking a glass of water. So I think I'm up for the challenge. Now I have a method. I'm going to take 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Instead of trying to eat them one at a time in a minute, I'm just going to try and, you know, do it all at once. So here we go. Okay, are you timing me? You ready? Wow. Now I hate these things.